Genetic engineering explained in easy English. Hi everyone! What if I told you we could copy-paste traits between living things, like giving corn the power to survive droughts? Today we're exploring genetic engineering in simple terms, so stick around. Every living thing has a special recipe book inside it called DNA. Think of DNA as the set of instructions that tells our cells how to grow, work, and even look. It's like a recipe for making you. Genetic engineering is like editing that recipe book. Scientists can change the instructions in DNA, adding a new twist, removing errors, or even swapping traits between organisms. This process helps us improve plants, animals, and even create new medicines. For example, imagine a farmer growing corn that can survive in drought. Scientists can edit the corn's DNA so it withstands harsh conditions. In medicine, similar techniques help develop treatments and vaccines to fight diseases. So how do scientists change DNA? They use CRISPR, a tool like molecular scissors. CRISPR cuts the DNA at just the right spot so scientists can add, remove, or change a few letters, just like editing a sentence in a book. Genetic engineering brings huge benefits. In agriculture, it helps grow stronger, healthier crops that can feed more people. In medicine, it leads to new treatments and vaccines that save lives. It even helps the environment, for instance by creating plants that can clean up pollution. But like any powerful tool, genetic engineering comes with challenges. Editing DNA is like editing a book. Should there be rules about what we rewrite? These ethical questions help guide how scientists, governments, and communities decide what is safe and acceptable. What do you think? Should we edit genes to cure diseases even if it's risky? Click the poll and share your opinion. Let's review what we learned. DNA is like a recipe book that tells our cells how to work. Genetic engineering is editing that recipe book, changing, adding, or removing instructions. It can lead to better crops, new medicines, and even cleaner environments. But it also raises important ethical questions. How much should we change our natural blueprint? Genetic engineering is a fascinating field that shows how science can change the way we live. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of science's biggest breakthroughs, hit subscribe to join our journey. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.